He's teasing Latte to try and get Latte to pounce too. I recorded that on video. That's nice.
Oh, nice.
There they go.
I must go. My people need me.
It's okay.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, right. There's plants. Dun, 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 dun.
Here, Jason, let's move so Latte can chase.
I'm gonna move down here where you can throw.
Come on, Latte, chase. Come on.
Oh, I nearly put my hand in dog pee.
That probably wouldn't have been great.
It's right there.
Look at how sweet.
Mom, you get them feed him. Hang on, you get to rip off little pieces of leaf and feed it to him. Like, watch this.
Oh, hey, there's another itsy spider right here.
You touched him. Mom, isn't this adorable?
Mm-hmm.
No, wait, stop. Mom, he can barely look up.
I know. I wanted to get the two of them over here together so I could film them. You let me get film of the two of them interacting. Latte, you finally got the deer's attention, and now you're going to turn your back on them? You're weird.
And he walked up.
Look up. Hi, baby.